So if you've been with me for this short Gua Sha series, this is the last video. And what I like to do now, simply after we've been doing some of these Gua Sha techniques, I want to end with lymphatic drainage because it's so important that when we're doing Gua Sha, just to kind of release all the toxins and really work to soothe and calm our skin. So we're going to take our Gua Sha tool right here. And again, we're going to be moving all the way out here. 7 on each side, moving all the way up from the middle of our face here out towards the ears. We're going to go on the other side. We're going to take the tool here, the inside curve of the tool. We're going to move it all the way down to our neck area. We're going to go on the other side. And we're going to take the tool here, the two curves right here, and we're going to move it all the way out right here. And we're going to go on the other side, just below the collarbone right here. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me in this series. So this is some really basic techniques that you can do. So now that you know the basics, you can follow along with my other Gua Sha techniques and tutorials that kind of go a little bit deeper into certain areas of the face as well. So here's the playlist for my Gua Sha tutorials. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.